Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. I've already uninstalled GPT-Pilot once. I'm going to install it now. I have developer tools running in the back so we can see what's going on. Let's take a look. Okay. I already have Visual Studio Code installed. I open it, and here we go. And let's take a look if there's anything here specifically. Nothing yet. Let's go with install. Sandbox attribute. It's doing something over here. Okay, it's enabled globally, so it should now be installed. I'm not seeing it. Right here. Okay, so let's open it up. Let's open it up. Okay, go over here. Doesn't look like it's working at all now. I'm getting iframe errors. Why is it? Okay, so just to confirm, how do I get the tool? Okay, help, toggle developer tools. So we'll close Visual Studio Code, exit. We'll reopen, see if that does anything. Go to extensions, Pilot Alpha. It's still there. Connect, create full project, start. Where's the smart? Where is it? Okay, changelog runtime. I'm not even sure how to get it to work now. Okay. Oh, shoot. I didn't mean to do that. Sorry. But it's really just not showing me how to... It's not even giving me the option to start a project. So maybe I need to start a project. File, new. Okay. Desktop. Test. Pilot.py. Go back to my extensions. It's not even, I'm not sure even how it's supposed to work now because it's not doing anything. So let's take a look at the developer tools, help, toggle developer tools, overriding content widget, empty hint, source map. Iframe image, but okay, it's not web view elements. That doesn't look like. Okay. Product stage enabled proposals, API, MS Python. Once API proposal register issues data provider. I'm not even sure what that means, but that's why we're here. Yeah, I'm not even sure how to get it to work anymore. Last time I had a bunch of errors. This time I don't even have errors. Thanks for watching. Happy computing.